Now performing the national anthem, welcome junior Weston Rhoades, senior Mia Ritter, and senior Jessica Iske, featuring choir director Mr. Hardy.
Oh, say can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Hey Eagles, it's Judah Moya, your student body president. I know it's been super tough these past few weeks, but in order to bring our spirits back up, we're starting a virtual assembly series. Here's Ashton Armenta with more information on that.
Hey guys, it's Ashton Armenta here, your student body secretary, and I just wanted to give you a quick preview of what episodes you can look forward to. Episode 1 will be your introduction and assembly game. Episode 2, a few familiar faces will be stopping by to say hey. Episode 3 will be an introduction and next year's candidates for office. Episode 4 will be split up into 4 parts and all about our spring sports, including law quad and tennis, baseball and softball, and track, as well as recognizing our state swim and dive. Episode 5 will be our farewell, so stay tuned for the next couple days and weeks for these episodes. Now passing it on to Liv Traub, your student body treasurer, to explain the assembly game.
Hey guys, I know we can't do a normal class game like we usually do, but this one is going to be a guessing game. We want you guys to guess how many jelly beans are in this jar. So, there it is right there. And the number closest can stay tuned for what the prize is going to be and how to enter. Thank you!
And I'm your student body historian, Josh Burns. Make sure to check out our Instagram story for a chance to win a Starbucks gift card, and tune back in on Wednesday to see if you won. Seniors, another reminder, remember to submit your senior pictures and videos to ehseagles2020@gmail.com. Remember to submit those videos as soon as possible. We'll see you Wednesday, Eagles.